Yellow star thistle is a non-native invasive weed that is becoming increasingly problematic in the western United States. It is toxic to horses, depletes water, displaces native species, increases risk of wildfires, and can injure grazing animals such as cattle. Several seed-eating insects have been released in the western U.S. to control yellow star thistle, but the weed has continued to spread. I'm Carrie Preston, and I'm part of a team of researchers at the Oregon IPM Center, and we are studying an insect that has the potential to kill whole yellow star thistle plants. It's called rosette weevil. The Latin name is Ceratapion basicorne, or CEBA for short. Native to the Mediterranean region, CEBA was approved for the release to control yellow star thistle in 2019. Researchers are studying how CEBA develops on yellow star thistle, and they are using these data to predict where it could successfully establish. We hope that if we can get this weevil to establish, it will slow the spread of this invasive weed. Our research takes place on Department of Defense land, where parachutists have complained about landing in patches of thorny yellow star thistle. In its native range, CEBA adults approach yellow star thistle plants in the spring to feed on the leaves and lay eggs. When the eggs hatch, the larvae burrow through the leaves and into the stem. They then continue down the stem and into the roots. They remain there for a time and feed on the roots until they pupate and become adults. In the summer, the adults chew out of the roots and feed on the leaves of the plant for a few weeks and search for a mate. The adults then stop feeding and prepare to go into diapause, a type of hibernation through the fall and winter months. The goals of the Oregon IPM Center and our collaborators are to increase the population of CEBA to release in the field at multiple locations in Oregon, Washington, and potentially Utah, and to better understand where the insect will be able to survive and reproduce, and therefore control yellow star thistle. We are also conducting research to better understand the life cycle of CEBA. Raising the weevil is challenging because there are still some things that are unknown. We don't yet know whether they overwinter in the soil or in the plant. We don't know how tolerant they are to cold temperatures, what environmental cues they need to enter and exit diapause, how long the diapause should be, and what conditions they need to lay eggs. If you'd like to learn more about this project, you can contact Brittany Barker at Oregon State University.